So you're after a Mercedes-Benz SUV, and the GLC, which to me stands for good looking car, has caught your eye. Now the GLC300, the base version, doesn't pack enough punch, and the top of the line higher end GLC43 AMG is a bit out of reach. Well, you're in luck. My name is Thomas, and today I'm tinkering on this 2020 Mercedes-AMG GLC43. This all-wheel drive SUV gets 0 to 60 miles per hour over and done with in just over 4 seconds. This is all thanks to the extra power and the more aerodynamic body that was given to the GLC43 due to the 2020 year update. And while it feels like this vehicle lives to be in Sport Plus mode, causing it to corner and accelerate like it's on rails, with the simple turn of a knob, Comfort mode rounds off the edges of any harsh roads and slows down time, causing you to melt into your comfy heated leather seats and enjoy the road ahead. And thanks to all the latest and greatest technology inside the 2020 GLC, like the MBUX entertainment system, I don't have to ask you to take my word for it. I just have to wait to see how big of a smile it puts on your face when you take it for a test drive. But that's everything for me. Again, my name is Thomas. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by the channel. If you like what I do here, feel free to subscribe, drop a like. If you didn't like the video, drop a dislike, and ring the notification bell if you want to be notified when I release all of my future videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.